Mae'r ochr Cymraeg wedi bod yn grif rhan bod Castell Howell wedi dechrau. Chwyd ni'n hoff iawn o siarad Cymraeg I cwsmeriaid, I gweithwyr sydd gyda ni.
So when you come here as customers, is local produce important to you?
Well, we pick it up from the shelves, like that shea butter that you buy and things like that. Yes, and the milk is local from Cwmffrwd, and yes, we do.
Mae cig Cymraeg dyn ni, mae caws Cymraeg dyn ni, mae gyda ni bisgedi, chutneys, jams, te, coffi, cwrw Cymraeg, mae gyda ni spirit Cymraeg, gyda ni gwin Cymraeg. Wel, ni'n trial cael gwmynd y gallwn ni yn Gymraeg, yna fe, chybod, mae rhaid siwto'r busnes fyd a y cwsmeriaid sydd da ni, ond gwmynd ni gallai cefnogi ni gallai. Mae'n cynyddu bob blwyddyn, mae'n cynyddu, chybod.
I noticed you've got a lot of Welsh products on your trolley.
Indeed.
Why is that?
We've just opened up some tea rooms at Gwyliwch Steam Railway Centre, and one of the emphasis was to have Welsh products. We have a lot of tourists that come and visit us, and part of that experience is to have localised food and Welsh food and drink. So much of what I get is to do with that.
O fi'n credu bod y perthynas wedi cadw tyddu, mae'r safon y cynnyrch Cymraeg wedi bod mor dda, mor gyson, a wedyn mae pobl wedi cael ffydd yn y cynnyrch, a mae'n cadw tyddu, a fi'n credu na pan maen nhw'n cadw dyn ôl, mae'r ffydd a mae'r safon na bob tro.
So do you specifically look out for the Welsh stuff then when you come shopping here?
I do indeed, and I have been to a couple of the Welsh food shows as well, but also I think Welsh food, they put a lot of emphasis on food, and the quality is very high indeed of what I've experienced so far.
Fi'n credu, os ewch chi nôl blynyddoedd, oedd bobl mwy o bwyslais ar y cynnyrch a fel o'n nhw'n cael mas i'r marced, ond fi'n credu nawr bod y branding wedi symud mlaen camau o ble oedd e wella 10 mlynedd nôl. Chybod, mae bobl gallu gweld y bwysigrwydd o'r branding I fel mae gallu mynd achos dros y byd, really, achos mae pethau Cymraeg yn cael ei werthu nawr dros y byd I gyd.
The Welsh language is important, but sometimes if it was in English, as our milk, for example, goes towards Pembrokeshire cheese, any English person could understand what it said. Sometimes the Welsh bilingual would be better. For example, I've got llaeth y llawn there today, which is a Welsh dairy-made yogurt. But sometimes bilingual is useful because obviously the English people wouldn't understand what llaeth y llawn means. But it's nice to see the Welsh names on the packaging, mind.
Fel mae pethau'n cael ei lobeli, a pethau fel un, chybod, mae bobl gallu gweld mae'n rhoi hyder I nhw, a maen nhw wella mwy o ffydd dyn nhw yn pethau lleol, chybod, na wella pethau sydd wedi dod o tramor, mae'r ffydd na yn Gymru, yn y bod bobl yn cael cynnyrch da.
I think anywhere that you do go on holiday and that you would expect to find localised foods. And everyone wants to try something a little bit different as well, so